Have you ever met someone who speaks English so effortlessly, so confidently, that you just stop and think, wow, how do they sound so fluent? They don't pause, they don't translate, they just flow, like English is a part of them. You might think they lived abroad or studied with native speakers, but here's the truth. You don't need to live in America or take expensive classes to sound fluent. You just need one simple trick that completely changes the way your brain thinks. And once you learn it, people will think you're fluent, even if you're still learning. So listen carefully. Real fluency doesn't start in classrooms. It starts in your everyday life. When I wake up in the morning, I don't translate in my head anymore. I think in English directly. Time to get up. Let's open the window. Oh, what a beautiful day. I say to myself, I need water. Where's my toothbrush? These tiny sentences sound simple, but they're powerful. Because every small thought you have in English trains your brain to think naturally. When I make breakfast, I talk to myself. I'm making coffee. I'm feeling lazy today. I should hurry up. I use the mirror trick too, standing in front of the mirror, speaking to my reflection, smiling, moving my hands, acting confident. At first, it feels funny, but soon it feels natural. That's how you build confidence, not by learning perfect grammar, but by hearing yourself speak English every single day. When I go outside, I keep that voice in my head alive. The weather is hot. That car looks cool. I'm running late. You don't need a partner to practice. Your mind is your best partner. And here's another secret. It's called shadowing. You play a native English video or podcast and you repeat every word right after the speaker. You copy their rhythm, their energy, their style. It's like singing along to music, but in English. Just 10 minutes a day can completely change your accent, your tone, and your confidence. In the evening, when I finish work, I talk to myself again. What did I do today? What made me happy? What can I do better tomorrow? That's how you build real fluency. Not by memorizing words, but by living in English all day long. Because fluent people don't just speak English, they think in English, and you can too. Whether you live in India, Brazil, Japan, or anywhere, your location doesn't matter. What matters is how often you let English live in your mind. Start small, speak daily, and watch your hesitation disappear. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't say good morning in your language. Say it in English, confidently, out loud, because that's how fluency is born, in small, daily moments. People will think you're fluent, and the truth is, you actually will be. This is Alex from Talks with Nikhil, reminding you, don't just study English, live English, speak it, feel it, breathe it. And soon, you'll sound like you've been fluent your whole life.